showcase the air quality across the national capital. Delhi NCR quality has now increased slightly. After early morning scare, the AQI is now improving. A day after Diwali, Delhi has now entered the very poor AQI mark. At about 8 a.m., the air quality across Delhi NCR was at an average of 354. Delhi AQI continues to be in the very poor category, but it has improved slightly over the past 1 hour. Delhi's 32 out of 35 AQI, all of them have now breached the 300 mark. 4 Delhi neighborhoods are still in the severe category. Bhavana, this region is the most polluted neighborhood in Delhi a day after Diwali celebrations took place. Most of the neighborhoods, they are in the severe category, which means that they are almost at the 400 mark. If we speak about Jahangirpuri, it's at 407, Wazirpur is at 408, Bhavana is at 427 and Burari is at 402. Amit Bharadwaj, in fact, my colleague, has sent us this ground report.
This is the CPCB data, and Delhi is showing very poor category air quality at this point in time, which is in red. And what is to be noted out here is that it is the very October where you had the air quality in the green shade, and it shifted eventually to yellow shade because of the weather conditions, which is already not in favor of the national capital. And now, after the Diwali festivities, it is at 352. After, as per the latest data of the CPCB, after 8 a.m. in the morning. And 4 neighborhoods of the national capital are in severe category at this point in time. And Bhavana happens to be the most polluted area of the national capital. Jahangirpuri, Bhavana, all of these areas are in severe category. 32 out of 35 AQI meters in the national capital are showing red signals. So either they are in very poor category or severe category. The rest 3 are in poor category at this point in time. Many would argue that, this happens year after year. Why blame Diwali festivities? What is to be noted is that earlier you also had the Parali menace happening across North India, and with that the fireworks in the northern India, more so in Delhi, would lead to gas chamber like situation.